All right. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from BBL Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No,
Are
ma'am.
you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
All right, our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I'm ex-abroad also in Malaysia. I'm from Malaysia also.
You are from Malaysia, in which okay. So why still choose to come and work here?
Because for me, Malaysia is safe for me, and the Malaysian people is good.
Malaysian people is good. All right.
Yes.
So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. I'm Miriam Sabang. I'm 41 years old. I'm single mom. I have four children, three daughters, and one son. My eldest daughter age is 24, third is 23, and our second is 23, and third is 22. The youngest is 17 years old. And I have experience, I work quite in DS, domestic helper, year 2012 to 2016. And then I work again in Malaysia 2019 to 2022. And then here in local, I work 2023 to 2025, ma'am. That's my experience.
All right. So thank you for your introduction, but I would like to know some few more details from you. When is your birthday?
My birthday is August 3, 1984.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'4" and my weight is 65.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I'm college graduate, vocational, computer secretarial course.
All right. You mentioned that you got four children and you are a single mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, your children are already adults, but still need someone that wanted to look for them and who will going to look for them.
Mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
70 years old and is already retired.
What about your father?
No work. My father is 70 years old. No work.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have three brothers and six sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
Four. I'm number four.
You mentioned that you have a working experience in Kuwait way back 2012 to 2016. And what is your
Yes, ma'am.
job responsibilities there?
Take care of the children and cleaning the house, cooking children's food, and all around them, all around.
Laundry and ironing.
Yes, ironing, laundry.
How many children you take care in Kuwait?
Four.
How old are those children?
17, 11, and 7 years old, and newborn.
All right. So what happened? Why you didn't? Of course, you've been there for 4 years, but why you didn't continue working your, or I mean, why you didn't renew to your previous employment in Kuwait?
Because the reason is I want to rest first and to save my children also. I miss my children.
All right. After that, you've been here in Malaysia for way back 2019 to 2022. You worked for how many years?
3 years.
3 years. So, is it Chinese employer, Malay, Indian?
Singaporean. Singapore. Singaporean girl is Singaporean and the boy is British.
All right. So, in which part here in Malaysia, your employer designated?
Milaka.
Malacca.
I remember Milaka. Mm.
So, how many total family members inside the house?
Only two.
Only two. All right. So, what is your job responsibilities to your previous employment here in Malaysia?
All around, ma'am.
What kind of all
Because no,
around?
Indonesia is no children, only cleaning the house, but no cooking. My boss is, I'm not allowed cooking.
You do the
Only
house chores,
cleaning.
laundry, and ironing
Yeah.
only.
Yes,
Gardening, car
and
washing, or what?
yeah, gardening, car wash, yeah, it's included.
All right. So you've been here way back to 2023 to 2025 in Philippines. In which part of the Philippines?
Here in Bulacan,
What is your job responsibilities there?
take care the one boy, newborn.
Take care newborn.
Yes, ma'am.
You focus on taking care of the newborn or you do house chores also?
Focus the newborn, ma'am.
All right. So what happened? Why you decided to come and work here in Malaysia again?
Because I heard that salary in Malaysia is
All right. So you heard that Malaysia got the increment of salary, correct?
yes,
But
ma'am.
you need
So
to show to the employers that you are worth it with the increment of the salary. This is not
yes, ma'am.
something like your previous employer that you can do house chores only. You know already
Yes,
that
ma'am.
employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness and houses here is quite big. I don't want later that once you come to work here, you will going to compare your previous employment to your recently employment. No such a thing, okay?
Yes,
Because
ma'am. I
every
am.
employer got different rules and regulations. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you
Yes.
need to be multitasking, you need to be flexible, and you need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience to your previous employment. All right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
I'm
take your
ready.
can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. That
Can
is only time management only.
can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Can you cook?
Yes, I'm willing to learn on how to cook in Malaysian food.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm willing.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract, and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, or you cannot handle your job anymore, you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home. You will going to sign a 2 years contract, and once you terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
You
I'm
can
aware.
hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. This is a
Yes, ma'am.
strictly no go out policy, and once you work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay with me.
If you disagree, it's fine. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. But if you agree, then you work properly. Don't give us problem because nobody
Yes, ma'am.
forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, you've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 3 years or 4 years already. But once you come here, homesickness will strikes you anytime and anywhere. How will you gonna deal with it?
I I always go other country, ma'am. I never. If I miss my children, I'm going to always video call in during night.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want. We can be the boss there. But here in Malaysia, you know that we need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any
Yes,
concerns,
ma'am.
inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am, I
I
understand.
think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Mary Ann. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected
Thank
through
you.
WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much and have a good day.